Okay, so here's a question from June 2019 paper 2, the first calculator paper, and it's on volume, and it's like a problem solving one. How many cups, basically. So container in the shape of a cuboid is 2/3 full, and it's asking you how many cups can you fill with this water. So first thing to do is to find out how much is inside. So 30 times 6 times 19, and then that's it full, so then you'd have to times it by 2/3. Okay, so I get my calculator out for that. You could have also just divide this by 2/3, or one of them by 2/3, and that would work. It doesn't really matter which way around, as long as you understand what you're doing and why. Okay, so that's it full. And then, just because this is a bit of an awkward calculator, I'm just going to divide it by 3, because that gives us 1/3, and then times it by 2. So that should give us the equivalent of 2/3, 2280, and that's centimetres cubed. Okay, so that's how full it is. Here's my water. And then it says a cup holds 275 millilitres of water. Now this is when you might think about conversions. Well, if you can remember that 1,000 centimetres cubed equals 1 litre. This is not in litres, so this is in millilitres. And 1 litre is actually 1,000 millilitres. So actually it's the same number conversion, so you don't need to do anything other than just use the same thing. So I'll be dividing 2280, divide that by 275, and then that equals, I'll have a calculator, oops, still got it on there, divided by 275 equals 8.29. Okay, let's just 09, etc. I normally just do that in some dots. So because we only actually need what is the greatest number of cups that can be completely filled. It doesn't matter how much over it is, but it's definitely not 9, is it? So it has to be, so you can only fill up 8 cups of water. And that'll be the final answer. Fantastic. It's 4 marks available for that one. And I think that's quite nice. That's quite a nice question. You just think it's a conversion throws people sometimes, but if you can remember this one, sometimes they give it, but this one they didn't. And then that 1,000 millilitres are in a litre. Okay, thanks for listening.